How to hide and unhide chats on Facebook Messenger. So what we'll simply do is open our Messenger app here, and after opening our Messenger, we can simply choose any chats that we wanna hide or unhide. So here I'm choosing this one. You can simply swipe left, and you'll get an option of archive. So you can do it for another one here as well. And what is the main thing is, you if someone sends a message, I mean the particular person that you hide, the chats will appear here. So you can simply click on the three horizontal on the left corner, and after that you'll get an option of archive there. You can click on it, and you can do the redo the same process of swiping it left and get an option of unarchived. You can click on it, and yeah, that is how you can hide it and unhide chats on Facebook Messenger.